Hello and welcome to Talk Sara. It's really great to have you listening with us again today.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you're here. We always enjoy practicing English with you and helping you learn real, everyday language that feels natural and comfortable.
Yes, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. That really helps our small channel grow and reach more English learners around the world.
So today, we're going to talk about a topic that everyone knows, everyone thinks about, and everyone needs: health. Health is something we talk about in daily life, and it can be a simple topic or a very big topic. But today, we're going to keep everything easy and friendly so you can learn step by step.
That's right. In this conversation, we're going to talk about feeling healthy, feeling sick, and some very simple expressions you can use to describe your body and your feelings in English.
Before we start, let me ask, Sarah, how do you feel today?
I feel good. I slept well last night, and this morning I had a healthy breakfast. I ate some fruit and some yogurt, and I drank a big glass of water.
Wow, that sounds very healthy. I think breakfast is important for feeling good and having energy for the day.
Yes, I agree. What about you, Mike? How are you feeling today?
Well, I actually woke up with a small headache this morning.
Oh no, really? Why do you think you have a headache?
I think maybe I didn't drink enough water yesterday, or maybe I looked at my phone too much before I went to sleep. My eyes felt tired last night, and this morning I felt a little heavy in my head.
Yes, looking at your phone before sleeping can make your eyes tired and can also make your brain too active. It's not always easy to sleep well if we use our phones too much before bed.
I know, I really need to stop doing that. But sometimes I watch videos or I check messages and time goes very fast. Suddenly it's midnight and I'm still looking at the screen.
I understand that. I sometimes do the same. But it's good to learn healthy habits little by little.
Speaking of sleep, how many hours did you sleep last night, Sarah?
I slept around 7 hours. I usually try to sleep 7 or 8 hours because my body feels more relaxed after that. If I sleep less than 6, my eyes feel heavy and I don't have energy for talking or work.
For me, I think 8 hours is perfect, but honestly, recently, I sleep only 5 or 6, and I can really feel the difference. My body feels slow and my mind feels tired.
Sleep is really one of the most important things for health. Many people think health is only about food or exercise, but actually, sleep is also a very important part of a healthy life.
Yes, and speaking of food, you said you had yogurt and fruit this morning. Is that your usual breakfast?
Usually, yes. Sometimes I have eggs or oatmeal, sometimes tea, sometimes coffee, but I always try to have something in the morning because if I skip breakfast, I feel hungry after 1 or 2 hours and then I feel tired or weak.
That happens to me too. When I don't eat breakfast, my stomach makes a loud sound and I feel slow. So yes, eating early is good.
What about exercise, Mike? Do you do any exercise these days?
Well, actually, I started walking in the morning this week. Nothing too hard, just a small walk near my house. I walk for maybe 15 or 20 minutes.
That's wonderful. Walking is one of the easiest and most natural exercises. It's good for your body, good for your heart, and good for your mind.
Yes, actually, after walking, I feel more awake. Also, my headache becomes smaller because I breathe fresh air and move my body a little.
Many people think exercise must be very hard or very strong, like running or going to the gym and lifting heavy weights. But actually, walking is very good for health too.
I agree. And also, I feel more relaxed when I walk outside. Sometimes I listen to calm music or just listen to the birds. Nature helps me feel peaceful.
Sometimes small things are the most important things. You don't need to change everything in your life at one time. You can just change one small thing today and another small thing tomorrow.
Right. Maybe drink one more glass of water, sleep 30 minutes earlier, or eat a healthy snack instead of a sugary one. Just small steps, but slowly they create a healthy habit.
That's a beautiful way to say it. Healthy life is not something fast, it's something slow and simple. A little action every day makes your life healthier month by month.
Exactly. And speaking of daily habits, maybe we can also talk about stress because stress is a big part of health too.
Yes, we should definitely talk about stress. Many people feel stress today: work stress, school stress, family stress, and stress can really affect the body.
So maybe in the next part of our conversation, we can talk more about stress, mental health, and some easy things we can do to feel better.
Yes, that is a great idea, Mike. And we can also talk about feeling sick and how to describe when something hurts in English.
Perfect. So let's continue now and move slowly into that topic. So, Sarah, we talked about healthy habits. Now I want to talk about stress too.
Yes, stress is part of health. Many people feel stressed today, even young people.
That is true. People work long hours, study a lot, and sometimes forget to rest.
Yes, and when we forget to rest, our body feels weak or tired. Our mind also feels heavy.
When I feel stressed, I feel a little pain in my shoulders. They become very tight.
Many people feel stress in the shoulders. Some people feel stress in the stomach.
Sometimes I feel a small headache when I am very stressed. My eyes feel tired too.
Yes, stress can change the body. Stress is not only in the mind, it is in the body too.
When I feel stressed, I also feel tired, even if I sleep enough hours.
The body uses a lot of energy when we feel stressed, so we feel tired faster.
What do you usually do when you feel stressed, Sarah?
I go outside and walk slowly. Fresh air helps my mind relax. Nature is relaxing for me.
That sounds simple, but it is helpful. I think fresh air can change the mind quickly.
I also like slow breathing. I breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly for a few minutes.
I heard deep breathing can make the heart slower and calmer.
Yes, deep breathing tells the body that we are safe, so the body relaxes slowly.
I drink water when I feel stress because water helps me feel fresh and awake.
Water helps many parts of the body. It helps the brain and the stomach too.
Sometimes I listen to calm music when I feel stressed. Soft music helps my mind.
That is a great idea. Calm music can change the feeling in the body and the brain.
Sarah, do you ever try meditation?
Yes, I try meditation sometimes. I usually do short meditation when I feel tired.
I tried meditation before, but I started thinking about many random things.
It is normal to think when you meditate. The goal is not to stop thinking.
Then what is the goal of meditation?
The goal is to notice your thoughts and then let them go slowly.
That sounds easier than trying to stop thinking. I like that idea.
Many people think meditation means stopping all thoughts, but that is not true.
I think I will try meditation again, but I will do short meditation first.
Yes, start small. Just 5 minutes can help your mind feel more relaxed.
I think stress is very common today. People have school stress and work stress.
Yes, family stress is also common. Even children feel stress in school today.
Stress also makes my stomach feel strange. I sometimes lose my appetite.
Yes, stress can change appetite. Some people eat more and some eat less.
When I eat less, I feel weak. When I eat too much, I also feel heavy.
Healthy eating helps the mind too. Food and mind are connected in many ways.
What food helps your mind feel calm?
Warm soup helps me. Also, fruit helps me feel fresh and clean inside.
I like tea when I feel stressed. Tea helps me relax. I like green tea the most.
Green tea is good for health. It has calming effects for many people.
I think small habits like tea, water, and short walks can help a lot.
Yes, healthy life is not always big things. Small habits can change the body slowly.
We should also talk about mental health in daily life. People need simple ideas.
Yes, we can talk about mental health more in the next part.
We can also talk about feeling sick or having pain in the body.
Yes, I think many learners want to know how to say I have pain in English.
Right. We will talk about that soon. I think it is very helpful vocabulary.
So now let's move slowly into the topic of feeling sick and common pain words.
So, Sarah, now I want to ask about something very common. What do people say when they feel sick?
Many people say, I don't feel well, or I feel sick, or I feel a little ill today.
If you have a headache, what do you say in English?
You can say, I have a headache, or my head hurts. Both are natural and easy.
And if someone has pain in the stomach, what should they say?
They can say, I have a stomach ache, or my stomach hurts, and people will understand.
Sometimes my back hurts after sitting too long at my desk.
Yes, you can say, I have back pain, or my back hurts, or my back feels sore.
What is the word sore used for?
Sore means a little painful. It is not very strong pain, but it is not comfortable.
I sometimes feel sore in my legs after a long walk.
Yes, that is very common. You walk a lot, so your legs become tired or sore.
When people are coughing, what do they say?
Usually they say, I have a cough, or I am coughing a lot today.
And people who have a cold, what do they say?
They say, I have a cold, or I caught a cold, or I feel cold symptoms.
What about fever?
We say, I have a fever, or I think I have a fever.
When I feel tired, sometimes I think I am sick, but maybe I am only stressed.
Yes, stress and sickness can feel similar. The body feels heavy and slow in both situations.
So listening to the body is very important for health.
Yes, we should listen to simple body messages, like tired eyes or dry throat.
Many people ignore small signs until they become big problems.
That is true. If something feels wrong for a long time, it is good to see a doctor.
When I visit a doctor, I always say things very simply.
That is good. Simple language helps the doctor understand the problem quickly.
People can say, I have pain here, and show the part with their hand.
Yes, pointing is very helpful. It shows the doctor the exact place of the pain.
Also saying time is important, like, this pain started yesterday.
Or, it hurts more in the morning. Or, it is better at night.
That helps the doctor understand the situation more clearly.
Yes, because time changes health. Morning pain can be different than evening pain.
What do you say if you feel tired all the time?
You can say, I feel tired all day, or I have no energy, or I feel weak.
I think the word weak is very useful. It describes low energy clearly.
Yes, and many learners know the word, so it is a simple one to use.
When I am sick, I like to drink hot soup. It helps my throat.
Warm soup is very good. It is soft and easy to eat and also comforting.
Sometimes tea with lemon helps me when my throat hurts.
Tea with honey is also helpful. Honey is soft and natural.
I also rest a lot when I am sick. I sleep more and use a warm blanket.
Rest is maybe the most important thing. Sleep helps the body heal itself.
Yes, I feel better after one good night of sleep.
The body fixes many things during sleep. That is why sleep is important every day.
So today we talked about feeling healthy, feeling stressed, and feeling sick.
Yes, we talked about simple health habits, simple pain words, and helpful phrases.
We also talked about easy ways to relax, like walking and slow breathing.
And we learned simple expressions such as my head hurts and I feel weak.
I think these words help many English learners in daily life.
Yes, because health is something we talk about often with family and friends.
Before we finish, do you have one simple tip for staying healthy, Sarah?
Yes, drink more water, sleep early, walk daily, and always listen to your body.
That is very simple and very true. Small habits help more than big changes.
And remember, health is not only in the body, it is also in the mind.
So, take care of yourself every single day, even in small and easy ways.
Thank you so much for listening to this long health episode with us today.
Yes, thank you. We hope you learned useful phrases and felt comfortable with us.
Please support our channel by liking the video and subscribing.
Thank you again, and we hope to see you in the next episode very soon.
Take care of your health and have a beautiful day.